Welcome to the browser notification overview. To access the tool, you're going to go to the toolbar at the top, go to email and engage, go down until you find browser notifications. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to open up a page looking like this. If you're new and have never used browser notifications, you will not see this activity. You will just see the create campaign button. But if you do have an activity that has already been created, it will show up here at the top via 7 days, 30 days, or all time that you can choose. Now to edit, you simply click on the little pencil right here. You can also grab the embedded code that you will need to put onto your website to make this browser notification work right here. You can see who your subscribers are. And if you want to send a push notification like a promotion, you can go right here, put the details into that area, and it will be delivered into their browser. You can also schedule different kinds of notifications at different days and dates by clicking on this little icon. And if your browser notification is no longer needed, you can just click on delete campaign. Now, how do you start with this? You can either go and click on new campaign on the left-hand side or click on create a campaign here. Then you're going to see this, choose the type of your site. Is it in your website or in another website? If it's in another website, you're going to supply the URL and the name. But if it's in a Build It All website, there's no need to do anything here except to go and add the URL to your website. So in this example, I'm just going to click on that. And this is the code that you need to grab. You're going to go to your website builder in Build It All. And you're going to see, I'm just going to use this one that's been published as an example. I'm going to click on the 3 little dots and I'm going to click on settings. Now in this area, it's important to remember that we're going to look for the script settings, which is this area on the left-hand side. So we're going to click on script, and right here at the top, we're going to paste in the browser information. Once you've done that, you can click save. Now the browser notification has been added. There is an alternative way of how you can also make use of the browser notification, and that is on the left-hand side right here, where it says browser notification within the website. And right here, you can enable the browser notification. And now I can say that it's been successfully done, and we're going to click confirm. So now it's been successful. If you no longer want this to be enabled, you can just click on disable browser notification. So once all of this has been set up and you have saved, you're going to go back to the browser notification area. And if you are ready to start sending information and you've got some subscribers that has signed up, you can always come back here to schedule your notifications or create a push notification for that moment. That is all for browser notifications. I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in another.